Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to fix Block Blast app crashing. If your Block Blast app opens but it crashes after a few seconds, the cause is usually a memory or a corrupted data. First, start by restarting your phone to clear RAM. Then, swipe up from the bottom of your screen and then clear any other background apps, especially other games or video apps running at the same times. Next, head over to your app store and then search for Block Blast and then check for update. App crashes are often fixed quickly after release, so make sure to update your app to the latest version. Next, on Android, go to App Settings and clear cache. On iPhone, open Settings, General, and then go to iPhone Storage and then make sure storage is on full. And then free up some storage if you need it. If crashes continue, long press on the Block Blast home screen, Block Blast icon, and then uninstall the app. And then to reinstall, go to App Store and reinstall it. This refreshes the app files and usually fixes the repeated crashes. And that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.